Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My opinion about smoking in campus area. Today, I would like to express my opinion about smoking in campus area. Campus is a place where we gain knowledge, develop, and interact with various individuals from different backgrounds. Therefore, it is important for us to create a healthy and comfortable environment for all. Smoking, as we know, has adverse effect not only for active smokers, but also for passive smokers who accidentally inhale cigarette smoke. In a campus environment, smoking not only endangers individual health, but also creates an uncomfortable environment and harm many parties. First, in terms of health, research show that exposure to cigarette smoke can increase the risk of various diseases, including heart disease, lung cancer, and respiratory disorder. Student lecture and all campus staff have the right to breathe clean air free from cigarette smoke pollution. Secondly, in terms of comfort, cigarette smoke can disrupt concentration and teaching and learning activities on campus. Imagine if lectures are interrupted by pungent cigarette smoke. Of course, this will reduce the quality of the teaching and learning process and cause discomfort for everyone. Third, in terms of the environment, currently discarded cigarettes but can damage environment and spoil the view. In addition, cigarettes that are not properly extinguished can pose a risk of fire, which of course is dangerous for all campus residents. Therefore, we propose that there should be strict regulation regarding the prohibition of smoking in all area of the campus. The campus can provide a special smoking area that is separate from the main area so that smoker can still smoke in peace. That's my take on smoking in campus area. I hope we can all work together to create a healthier, more comfortable, and cleaner campus environment. Thank you for attention. The question words WH question. Nearly all question words in English start with the same two letters WH. That's why question with question words are also called WH question. Use. We use the question word when we want to get specific or more information. They are different than yes or no question. We have the next question words. 7W plus 1H. Who, what, where, why, when, was, which, how. Who. We use who when we want to ask about people. Who is Sunhe? She is my classmate. We are in the same math class. What? We use what when we want to ask what thing, animals, and action. What kind of music do you like? I really like pop music. Where? We use where when we want to ask about place. Where are you from, Beth? Brazil. How about you? I am from Mexico. Why? We use why when we want to ask about reason. Why are late? Because I missed the bus. When we answer a question with why, we always begin with because. When? We use when we want to ask about time, occasion, or moment. When do you relax? At the weekend. Was. We use was when we want to ask about ownership or possession. Was are they sky? They army. Which? We use which when we want to ask about choice or preference. Which is your apple? The green one. How? We use how when we want to ask about the why in which something happened. How are things at work? Boring, as usual. With how, there are a number of other expressions that are used in question. How old? How much? How many? How often? How long? How far? How old? We use how old when we want to ask about age. How old are they? 24. How much? We use how much when we want to ask about number, quantity, or price. We use much with uncountable nouns. How much milk do you drink? Drink only one glass. How many? We use how many when we want to ask about number, quantity, or price. We use many with countable nouns. How many pencils do you have? Just one. How often? We use how often when we want to ask about frequency. How often do you exercise? I live weight every day. How long? We use how long when we want to ask about duration or length. How long do you spend at the game? 30 minutes a day. How far? We use how far when we want to ask about distance. How far is it to Madrid? It is 500 kilometers to Madrid.